Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to solve this equation. If 5 power x is equals to 120 power y is equals to 600, and we have to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. So let's start with today's video and check the solution. So as we know that 5 power x and 120 power y both are equals to 600, so we can write it as 5 power x equals 600 and 120 power y is also equals to 600. We know the famous exponent rule that if a power b and whose power is c is always equals to a power bc. So I can multiply here with y. So I can write it as 5 power x power y is equals to 600 power y. And after that I can write in this term. So 5 power xy is equals to 600 power y. Now this one I can multiply with x, 120 power y whole power x is equals to 600 power x. And I can write it as 120 xy is equals to 600 x. This is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 2. And I'll take it as equation number 3. And this one is as equation number 4. If I'm going to multiply equation number 3 with 4th, I'll get it as 5xy multiply 120xy is equals to 600 y multiply 600x. Again, we know that if a power b multiply c power b, if the powers are same, like the left hand sides, we can multiply the exponents, that is ac power b. So if I'll do 5 multiply with 120, I get 600 power xy. And on the right side, we know the identity that a power b times a power c. If the exponent is same, we can, and there is a multiplication sign in between that, we can write the exponent once and simply add the power. So 600 power y plus x. Now the bases are same, so I can write it as xy is equals to y plus x. Now we have to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. If I'll take the LCM is xy and here is y plus x. So in place of y plus x, I can write xy. So that is xy over xy, that is 1. So the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y is 1. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.